Your back's up against the wall and the clock ticking. Tick-tock, tick-tock. In an ever-changing landscape, some project or purchases may need that last-minute financial push to get over the line and finish. And you've found there are very few alternatives that could buy you more time. A short-term bridging loan from Capital FX is the ideal solution, providing businesses with working capital to purchase a property, pay a tax bill, develop land, or simply renovating a home for sale. Residential or commercial properties can be used as security to stop the clock and close the gap, giving you extra time to implement longer-term plans. You can borrow up to 75% of the value of the property. Our loans range from $250,000 to $5 million plus for a first mortgage, and from $50,000 to $500,000 for a second mortgage. Capital FX will give you an instant decision and can settle your loan within 72 hours. Our loans typically go for 1 to 12 months and start from as little as 1.5% per month. We help you remain in control. Call Capital FX today on 1300 991 121 or visit our website www.capfx.com.au and get your short-term bridging finance sorted quick and easy.